Welcome to Module 8.9, Research Plan Components, Methods. This session focuses on how to develop a clear, rigorous, and well-justified method section for your research plan. Your methodology communicates how you will answer your research question, and it must be logically aligned with your theoretical framework, design rationale, and practical constraints. We'll cover research design, sampling strategies, and data collection and analysis techniques that reflect methodological excellence. Start by explaining the design you've selected, qualitative, quantitative, or mixed methods, and how it aligns with your research question. Clearly justify why this approach is the best fit for your goals. Briefly mention alternative designs you considered and why they were not chosen. Highlight how your selected design allows you to explore your topic effectively. For example, a qualitative approach for depth and context, or a quantitative survey for generalizability. Be transparent about potential limitations, such as feasibility constraints or sampling challenges, and explain how you will address them. Your sampling strategy should clearly define the population of interest. Who are you studying and why? Justify your proposed sample size using logic or precedent from similar studies. Explain your inclusion and exclusion criteria to show intentionality in who is selected. Describe your recruitment plan. How will you reach potential participants? What methods will ensure diversity or accessibility? If representativeness is a goal, describe how your approach supports that. Even in qualitative work, sampling clarity shows rigor and thoughtful planning. In this section, provide a detailed description of how you will collect and analyze data. Outline your methods: interviews, surveys, focus groups, observational techniques, or a combination. Describe any instruments or measurement tools you will use, and explain their relevance and previous use in research. Discuss how you will ensure reliability and validity, whether through piloting tools, using validated scales, or triangulating qualitative data. Your analysis plan should align with your design and theory, whether thematic coding, regression, or mixed method synthesis. Finally, explain how you will maintain quality control, including steps like audit trails, double coding, or member checking.